Spiritual beings enunciate the principles of peaceful coexistence. They build bridges of unity by overcoming the falseness of duality that is created by society. The bliss of universality can be experienced when unity in diversity is embraced.
My name is Amardeep Singh. I will be tracing the memories of saints and Sufis, the Bhagats of the Indian subcontinent, whose philosophies are intertwined with those of Guru Nanak and are enshrined in the Guru Granth Sahib.
During the medieval period, the Indian subcontinent was experiencing a political, religious, and social downturn. Caste divisions, ritualism, oppression, and hierarchy had corrupted society. In this background, two parallel reformist movements, Bhakti and Sufi, emerged in the early 10th century to weave together the ripped social and religious fabric of society. This progressive force gave impetus to experiential wisdom over theoretical knowledge. They voiced opinions in the vernacular, incorporating local and foreign languages. Their mission was to rejuvenate society with the spirit of oneness in diversity. To extend the reach of this awareness, Guru Nanak laid the foundation of committing the oral tradition to document through scribing, so that this reality could transcend generations.